see if they'll open it.
Danny's gonna open it. Danny's the cousin who always opens the present that he's not supposed to. Sage, open your present.
Sage is not.
Danny's opening your present. Okay. Oh.
Sage.
Oh my God, Danny. He got a rip in it. You're so good. Oh my God.
He knows how to open it.
You are going to be great at Christmas. You're going to open all the Christmas. Keep going. Don't get distracted by the little bit of paper. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Rip it. You got it.
Everybody else gave up on the birthday.
Is there catnip in there?
There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Come on. I just saw green stuff come out. Come on.
Maybe catnip that way.
Come on. You got this. Now you got a spring. And I see catnip on you. All right, come on. Sage, come here. Sage. Nutmeg, look. Oh, there's definitely loose. Oh my God. Definitely some loose catnip going on here. Come on. Let's get this open. Come on. Help out. Come on. You got it. Grab some more stuff.
Okay.
Grab some more stuff. Oh, bless you.
They're all afraid of everything.
Sage, come on.
Come on, Sage.
Sage.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on. Cinnamon. Come on. Cinnamon. Come on.
Nutmeg's starting to get a little involved.
Come on. Sage, come on. Keep ripping it. Bless you. It might be, Dad might have went a little overboard.
Just rip it open. No, you rip it open. No, that's not good.
That's not.
I meant like rip it open.
Well, I'm one-handed, honey bunny.
Okay.
So I can't rip it open with one
That's
hand.
fine. Now you have to. That's fine.
Listen.
It's supposed to stay in the back.
It was supposed to stay in the back.
Yeah.
Mommy ruined this. I'll vacuum. I'll vacuum. Oh, I see. Oops. Uh-oh, Cinnamon came. Was there a card in here or something?
No, no cards. Just stuff.
Danny, make sure there's nothing left. Oh, finish opening it for me. All right, thank you.
At least somebody's having fun.
Sage, what you doing in the corner over there?
Sage, come on, baby. Come on out.
It's your birthday party.
Come on, Sage. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know why. Oh, here it comes. Look at.
I know. Look at Cinnamon. Look at Cinnamon. Where's Felix at?
I don't know. Felix gave up on mine.
I think Cinnamon likes catnip. I think Danny likes paper bags.
Yeah, he couldn't get a supply of it.
Oh, Sage is eating the catnip.
There's something for everybody.
We gotta remember, Danny's easy to buy for. He just wants paper.
He does like paper. He likes those ball things with the things in them. Oh man, look at his tail. Holy mackerel. It's like a brush. The end of his tail. Oh, it's just on the other side.
Oh, what was it? He thought something had him. All right, happy birthday, Sage, Cinnamon, and Nutmeg. You're 1 year old. It doesn't seem like we've had you for a year. Well, we got you 8 weeks in, but close enough.
Look at his tail. His tail.
Oh, it is. So schmutzy. So schmutzy.
Now he's got to attack his brother. Oh, he doesn't. Nobody's fighting. Look at that.
I know, they're all doing so great.
Oh, here comes Honey.
I was gonna say, doesn't Honey like?
She's not a catnip fan.
Honey, we got some toys for you.
She likes her food.
Honey, you want some toys? Do you want a ball?
She likes the ball.
Oh,
Actual
no.
rubber balls is what she's
The rubber balls?
That's
I don't
what
see a
right
rubber
here.
ball. Oh, the soccer balls.
Yeah.
Cinnamon keeps stealing them. Honey, do you want, honey, here's a mouse, honey. Honey, look at me when I'm talking to you. Mouse. There you go.
She's a butterfly fan.
She is a butterfly fan.
Maybe I should go get her a butterfly.
Maybe she should make do with one of the 50 toys that are littering the floor. Oh. I wish Felix would join the party.
I gotta go find her. I'm afraid I'm gonna take the party away from everybody.
I'm pretty sure when you leave, everyone leaves. Stay with.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Felix. Come on. It's your turn. Come on, big boy. Come on. Here he comes. Here we go.
Come on, Felix. We got some toys.
Come on, Felix.
Look,
your
it's
turn.
a spring. I know you love springs. And we got catnip.
And we got a butterfly for Honey.
And we got a butterfly for Honey.
Go, Honey. Come on. Get the butterfly. Yeah, let's do it again. Maybe you'll catch on this time. Here you go.
And she's got it. And now she's going to go hide her treasure.
Look at her go.
Felix has joined the party. Yay, Felix.
Hi. Oh, he came over to say hi to me. Hey, baby boy. How you doing, huh?
Sage, be nice. We've had no fighting at this party. Let's keep it that way. No fighting at the birthday party. Oh,
It's too
okay,
late.
you guys ruined it. Cinnamon and Danny were the first.
They couldn't deal
We
it.
said no fighting. Didn't we say no fighting?
Look at him.
Oh, you're so schmutzy. It's the problem with black cats. Everything stands out. Oh, are you going to bite me? Are you going to bite me? Yes, you are. Such a mean cat. Such a mean cat.
Let's see.
Uh-oh. Cinnamon's like, wait, there's still some catnip in here. What was that? Did you just hiccup?
Oh,
Aww.
he's happy.
Oh, look at Sage. Everybody loves all the toys.
They do. Oh, he's got tissue on his tail.
Got tissue on his tail.
Look at Danny.
Oh, he does have tissue on his tail. Look at how long Felix looks. You are such a long boy. Yes, you are. Such a long boy. Oh,
Oh, for God's sake.
Danny. It's not
Yeah.
WrestleMania.
No, leave your
It's a
brother
birthday
alone.
party. It's not WrestleMania.
He's like, leave me alone.
Dude, look at his back legs. You are ridiculous. You are half the size of Cinnamon.
He's
Pretty-
licking the catnip off of him.
He's licking the catnip off of him.
He was licking the catnip.
What just scared you?
Something got him. Oh, honey.
Honey, where's your butterfly at?
It's under the table. She wants another one. That's why she came over here.
You killed the last one, so now you need a new one?
Well, see, it worked out. They got their toys.
Everyone had fun. Nutmegs are already bored at the window watching cicadas.
Oh, for God's sake, leave the cat alone.
Now respect on your birthday. Oh, quit it. You're so mean. Get him, Cinnamon. Show him who's boss.
You now. He didn't body slam him like normal.
No. Danny, can't you be a good boy? It's not even your birthday.
No.
And you're acting like it's your
How
birthday.
dirty he is. It's ridiculous.
This is ridiculous. You're completely cut. Okay, now you're being a little rough.
Tap him on the nose.
Look
Don't
at
let him
his
do that.
face. I'm one-handed. I'm recording.
Mhm.
You tap him on the nose.
You tap him on the nose.
You tap him on the nose. Bad boy. You're such a bad boy.
He just gets so wild sometimes.
Look at him. You're a catnip cat. You're a catnip cat.
He's a little wild man right now.
He's very wild. Catnip does not agree with
Stop
him.
it. Leave him alone. Jerk. Oh, now he's gonna attack Felix.
Felix can get him. Felix, show him who's boss.
Felix is all wound up.
All right, Danny, be nice. Happy birthday, everyone. Happy birthday, Sage. No, look at Nutmeg. She's like,
Oh, she's tired out.
she only lasted like 6 minutes at the party. She's the old lady of the group, even though she's the same age
Is she asleep?
as the triplets. She's a triplet, if you
Yeah,
think
she
about
is.
it.
She is.
That's her brother, Sage, and her brother, Cinnamon.
Pigpen here.
And Pigpen. I'm gonna have to vacuum you. I'm gonna have to vacuum you. What do you think, Felix? Your birthday's not for until next month, or is it in 3 days?
No, in 2 days.
2 days. We're gonna have to do this again in 2
No, we're
days.
not.
No?
No,
Sorry, apparently Felix, this was also your birthday party.
it was. We're gonna have to figure something else out. I got him springs. He likes the springs. You like that too? What the heck?
Oh. Where are you going, Nutmeg? What are you doing?
She's like the cicadas again.
They're not in the house, thank goodness. Unless one came in with me. It's always a possible. Nutmeg, are you supposed to be up there?
Gotta check the box out.
All right. Danny just cannot stop fighting with everyone.
What is his problem? He's the ignorant drunk, isn't he?
He is. He is. He's got to fight with everyone. There's always one in the family. Got to have a fight at every family event.
Here, Felix. Come here. Here, Felix.
Felix was like, I don't like paper. It's Danny's thing. Danny's like, don't take the paper away from me.
He's like, I don't like you right now.
Hey, Sage. All right, everyone's leaving. Everyone's packing their bags and going home. Bye, Cinnamon. See you later. Oh, you like the catnip fish?
Yeah,
That's Sage is like, goodbye. Oh, that's my braid. You've got 20 billion toys and you choose my braid? Ow. You got 20 million toys. Bless you. That's what you got for rolling around in it. Bless you. You sneezed like 5 times. I'll clean it up.
Because he's dusty. Look at him.
Look at this. Ridiculous.
Hey, Sage.
It's just his fur. No one else looks like
No,
this.
somebody else has this issue.
No one else looks like Pigpen.
Oh,
Nutmeg, I'm sorry. That's his paper. He's very protective of it.
she's pissed.
Prowling around.
He can't even see straight.
Danny's very protective of that paper.
What is this problem?
He loves that paper. He's gonna be so cheap to buy for at Christmas.
Hi, Felix.
What?
I'm not biting you.
Smack him.
Felix has had enough.
All right, that's it.
Break it up. Spread out. That's it.
Everyone go to their own corner. Party's over. Party's over, Danny boy. Danny. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You just don't stop. You just don't stop.